Hey guys, in today's video, we're gonna roast these acorn squash slices. They're gonna come out the oven, roasted, tender, caramelized, and so delicious. They are super easy to make and they're the perfect side for any of your fall meals. So the first thing you wanna do is prep your acorn squash, wash it, and slice it into these half moons. I have an entire video showing you how to do that, so make sure to click and watch that if you need a little help. I've got my oven preheating, and here I have a lined baking sheet, and all I need for this recipe are some olive oil, some salt, and my favorite all-purpose vegetable seasoning. I'm also gonna link that for you below, but you can use curry powder, blackened seasoning, anything you like on your vegetables, or just salt and pepper. So the first thing we're gonna do is take our acorn squash slices and place them on our baking sheet. One baking sheet will fit about an entire acorn squash. Make sure you get 2 baking sheets if you need more room. After that, I'm gonna drizzle some olive oil right over the top and season it with a little bit of salt, and then my all-purpose vegetable seasoning. Just enough to make them taste really good. And now these are ready, we're gonna place them in our preheated oven to about 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. The baking time will always depend on how thick or thin you slice your acorn squash. Now, as you can see, I put 2 sheet pans in the oven because I'm roasting 2 at once. So that means that halfway through, I'm going to take out the sheet pans and swap them so they get roasted evenly. And just like that, we have perfectly roasted acorn squash slices. They make the perfect side. They're super easy to make. And as you can see, it's tender and delicious. Make sure to get the recipe and the measurements right below the video. And if you love acorn squash, I've also got a great soup for you. See you guys next time.